Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to dive into the fascinating world of black cumin, also known as Nigella sativa. This little seed packs a punch with its incredible health benefits and easy-to-grow nature. The popular Urdu name of this plant is kalanji. Black cumin is renowned for boosting immunity, treating respiratory issues, and improving digestion. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a versatile addition to your health regimen. This resilient plant requires moderate watering. A good soak every 7 to 10 days will keep it happy and thriving. Black cumin loves the gentle embrace of spring and fall for optimal growth. The magical moment to harvest the seeds is when the pods turn a lovely shade of brown. Black cumin thrives in full sun, soaking up around 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. It prefers well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0, ensuring the best growth and seed production. As for its medicinal uses, black cumin is a natural remedy for a wide range of ailments. It's used to alleviate asthma, reduce high blood pressure, and even fight certain infections. Its seeds are often used to enhance liver health and aid in weight loss. Unlock the power of black cumin, nature's little healer in every seed. Ready to sprinkle some magic into your garden and health routine? Black cumin is here to make every moment count with its myriad of benefits. Grow it, harvest it, and let its wonders unfold in your life. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.